Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to remove theme name from footer. So let's get started. So this is my website. So if I scroll down to the bottom, and here we will see the theme name, and today we are going to see how we can remove this. So to do this, we are going to log into our WordPress website dashboard, and after that we are going to click on appearance, and then we will click on customize. Here it will show us all the customization options. So now we will scroll the website again to the bottom to see our footer. So now we are going to click on footer builder. It may be changed based on your theme, but in most of the themes it's same. So we are going to select it, and after that we are going to select the copyright text. And here you will see the text powered by theme author tag. So we are going to remove it completely. So I'm going to select it and press backspace from my computer. So in this way it will be removed, and after that I am going to click on publish. So now we will visit our website and refresh it, and as you can see that theme name is now removed from our website footer. So this is how you can remove WordPress theme name from footer. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.